there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
Kia ora again from Wellington. Thanks to our unexpected overnight here, today we got off to a fast start. The shuttle buses were already lined up and ready to take us back into the city. Buses lined up for us. Before we even left home, we'd booked tickets for a tour of Weta Studios. For those who don't know, Weta is the incredible special effects and prop company behind movies like Lord of the Rings, Avatar, and so many more. Originally, we were planning on grabbing an Uber to Weta, which is about 6 miles outside the main part of Wellington. But with the extra time this morning, we decided to walk as far as we could and then call an Uber if it looked like we might be late for our 10:15 tour. We definitely needed the exercise, and it seemed like a nice way to see more of the city. With me, we could have locked ourselves. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's March 13th.
It is March 13th.
And we are where?
We're in Wellington.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I have a feeling.
Maybe so. Yes. And we're headed to Weta Studios today, but we got off the ship early, and so we're enjoying a few of the harbor views. Our walk took us through Wellington Town Belt, a fantastic green space that wraps around the city. The peace and quiet were a welcome break from the hustle and bustle. It was really lovely to be surrounded by nature right in the middle of everything. Well, we're just hiking through the outskirts of Wellington on our way to Weta. This is lovely. A nice little shortcut through the woods. To grandmother's house we go. It's a little cool this morning, isn't it?
It's a little cool. Hike up that hill kind of got me a little warm.
Yeah, me too.
Cooling back down.
It works. As the clock neared 9:30, we realized we were still about 2 miles out from Weta. It was probably time to call that Uber if we wanted to make our tour on time. And just like that, we arrived at Weta Studios. We started by exploring the cave, their sort of introductory area. I will admit, Weta was a little more touristy than I had initially expected. With our background in the industry, our interests lean more towards the actual production processes and techniques. For those who aren't in the field, I think it would be absolutely fascinating to see these incredible creations up close. We definitely appreciated the incredible craftsmanship and artistry on display. However, it was pretty clear that this part of the experience was designed as an attraction itself and not really a deep dive behind the scenes. Our tour guide was obviously a fantastic host, very enthusiastic, but didn't really have the answers to our more in-depth questions about materials or construction. There was only one of the sculptors that you could interact with, and then one makeup artist demonstrating techniques. It's not that I wouldn't recommend Weta tours to others. For those not in the industry, it'd be a really cool experience. But when you put makeup on a Navi or you skinned a dinosaur, it takes a little bit more to truly blow you away. After our tour, we decided to walk back towards the city. On the way to Weta, I had taken Google Maps directions as more of a suggestion, and we had veered off to enjoy the Wellington Town Belt. Corey, however, decided to take the Google Map directions literally on the way back.
I got a good video of you saying I got some good ones.
At first, it wasn't too bad, but sticking strictly to the roads meant taking us through a tunnel. Let's just say carbon dioxide poisoning wasn't really on my agenda for the day. The walk back wasn't exactly the most enjoyable part of our day. We eventually made it back to Queen's Wharf, hoping to find some cheap sunglasses for Corey. And where did we end up? This cute little nautical shop that actually had some animation running behind the counter. I guess you can't escape it in Wellington, it seems. So that was our Weta workshop experience and our slightly adventurous walk back into Wellington. Cheers from the high seas. Back on board, we watched as we sailed out through the Cook Strait, dropping off the pilot as we cleared the coast. Our next destination, Napier, New Zealand. Join us next time as we explore Napier. Thanks for watching.
On a new adventure.